Welcome to our journey into the world of hot dogs, a staple of American culture. More than just a snack, hot dogs are a beloved icon transcending generations. The first hot dog was sold in 1870, and today they're celebrated nationwide, especially by the youth who enjoy their simplicity and flavor. As we explore this culinary marvel, we'll uncover the rich history and cultural significance that makes hot dogs an enduring symbol of American identity. So, grab your favorite condiment and get ready to embark on an exciting exploration into the heart of this quintessential American treat. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into their historical journey next. From its origins in the bustling streets of 19th century America, the hot dog has journeyed far to become a beloved culinary icon. European immigrants brought sausages to the New World, quickly adapting them into what we now recognize as the classic hot dog. Over the decades, hot dogs have evolved, becoming deeply woven into the fabric of American culture. From street carts in New York City to backyard grills across the nation, these tasty treats have been a constant presence. Key historical moments, like being served at the first baseball game in 1893, cemented their status as a national favorite. Today, the hot dog stands as a symbol of simplicity and joy, celebrated at festivals and cherished during summer cookouts. Next, we'll delve into how this culinary staple has become an integral part of American traditions and celebrations. Stay tuned. Hot dogs are more than just a quick meal. They're woven into the very fabric of American life. Picture yourself at a baseball game, the crack of the bat, the roar of the crowd, and the aroma of grilled hot dogs filling the air. From backyard barbecues to bustling city streets, hot dogs are a staple at celebrations nationwide. Each region boasts its unique take, from the classic New York style with sauerkraut and mustard to Chicago's poppy seed buns loaded with toppings. In Los Angeles, you might find them wrapped in bacon and topped with jalapenos. These regional twists highlight the hot dog's versatility and ability to adapt while remaining beloved. But it's not just about taste. Hot dogs are at the heart of many cultural events, like Nathan's Hot Dog Eating Contest on Coney Island. These events celebrate not just the food, but the shared experiences that bring us together. Now, let's dive into how modern trends are transforming this classic American staple. In today's culinary landscape, hot dogs are being reimagined with bold creativity and global flair. Chefs and vendors across America are transforming this classic snack into a vibrant canvas for innovation. From Korean-inspired toppings to Mexican street-style twists, the possibilities are endless. These modern variations celebrate diverse flavors and showcase the ingenuity of today's culinary artists. As we savor these inventive creations, let's appreciate how hot dogs continue to evolve, reflecting a world of tastes and cultures. Stay tuned as we explore more delicious stories in our next segment. As we wrap up our journey through the world of hot dogs, we've seen how these simple delights are woven into the fabric of American culture. From historical origins to modern-day innovations, hot dogs continue to unite us with their diverse flavors and shared memories. Their enduring appeal is a testament to their place in our culinary hearts. Now, it's your turn. What are your favorite hot dog moments? Share your stories with us and keep the conversation going. After all, hot dogs are more than just food. They're a celebration of culture and community.